BJP workers are protesting outside Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav's office, as you can see on your screen. Police have resorted now to using water cannons on the BJP workers who are protesting about the rising instances of crime against women, particularly the Badaयूं case where 2 teenage girls were gang raped and then hanged from a tree. These workers were at Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav's office. Police trying to take them away by unleashing water cannons. These pictures that you see are of BJP workers. The Uttar Pradesh BJP chief Bajpai had announced over the weekend how they were very unhappy with the way the state government, Lakshmikant Bajpai, had said that these are women workers. They were organized, they are at the forefront of the protest that is taking place, and so the police trying to drive them away, all these protesters, from the CM's office by unleashing water cannons. You can see some kind of struggle going on there between the women personnel of the police and the women workers of Bharatiya Janata Party, who are trying to corner the state government over what's happened in Uttar Pradesh. Over the weekend, we've had all kinds of politicians rush and make their way towards Badaयूं to meet the family of the victims. You had Rahul Gandhi going in, Congress Vice President. You had former Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Mayawati, going there. You also have Union Minister Ram Vilas Paswan and his MP son Chirag Paswan, who've been and visited the family today. And the BJP trying to corner the state government by organizing this protest at Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav's office. What they're really upset about is the fact that on Friday, when journalists tried to ask him about these instances of crime against women, and there have been other cases apart from the Badaयूं case, there has been other crimes against women being reported in around the same time from Etawah as well. And when journalists tried to ask Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav, he tried to brush it aside by retorting to that journalist that you're okay, right? So totally dismissing the suggestion that Uttar Pradesh may be unsafe. And that response not only upset women activists, but also other political parties who used it as an instance of the way Samajwadi Party has been treating the issue of law and order, has been treating the issue of safety of women. So women workers of Bharatiya Janata Party there, as you can see on your screen, ghirawing the Chief Minister's office, the police trying to push them back. Lakshmikant Bajpai announcing over the weekend that the BJP was going to keep up the pressure on the Samajwadi Party government on this issue of law and order. NDTV's Anand Zanane now joins us from Lucknow. Anand, what's the situation there? The pictures seem really strong.
Well, yes, Sunetra, there was a massive protest which was organized by the BJP right outside the Chief Minister's residence, and the whole idea was essentially to corner the Chief Minister on the approach of the state government as far as the Badaयूं rape case is concerned. And the BJP, in a massive show of strength, especially led by the BJP Mahila Morcha, landed up outside his office, and they were stopped en route. There was use of force to stop women, and we can see very clearly in those visuals that there are water cannons that are being used to also, in a sense, control the crowds. So essentially, right now, the situation is under control, but just a short while ago, we saw these clashes between the policemen and also, Mahila Morcha women who were trying to, in a sense, ghairaw the Chief Minister's office, protesting against the manner in which the entire incident in Badaयूं was handled.
And Anant, how is the Chief Minister now planning to handle this issue? All his political opponents have made their way to Badaयूं. Is he planning to visit?
Well, so far there are no reports of him visiting his, cousin, and also who is the local MP from Badaयूं, Dharmendra Yadav, was there yesterday and gave assurances to the family. The government, in its defence, says it has done whatever is possible. They've already referred the case to the CBI now. It is incumbent upon the centre to actually go ahead and take a call on whether it wants the CBI to investigate this particular case, considering the fact that all the 5 accused in this, including the 2 policemen, have already been arrested. So essentially, Chief Minister and his Secretariat offering the defence that everything that was plausible, everything that had to be done has been done. But perhaps it is now trying to wake up the larger issue of the safety of women, the atrocities against women in the state. They perhaps have also gone ahead and asked for the dismissal of the government. However, it's an absolute majority government.
And just stay with us. We're getting some of the women protesters there speaking. We'll just come back to you.
दुरुस्त नहीं हुई तो ये प्रदर्शन जिलों में चलता रहेगा. पानी की बौछारें छोड़ना, आंसू गैस छोड़ना उनका काम है, लेकिन महिला मोर्चा उससे डरेगा नहीं, बिल्कुल डटा है और डटा रहेगा. आगे की रणनीति तय करेंगे, लेकिन जिले वाइज हम लोग प्रदर्शन जारी रखेंगे. ये संघर्ष जारी रहेगा.
Anand, so we hear some of these women workers of BJP speaking about how they're going to keep up the pressure on the state government. How is the state government tackling this crisis?
Well, the state government has been saying time and again that it has done whatever it could in this particular case. However, the manner in which it was handled perhaps was questionable, which is why these sort of political protests continue against the government. And obviously, the opposition is using this as an issue to target the government because, Akhilesh Yadav and the Samajwadi Party government have been time and again questioned about the fact that they go soft on law and order in the state, and crime has seen a spike, especially atrocities against women has seen a spike in the recent times under their regime. So this is perhaps the Achilles heels of the government, which is why we see that whenever incidents like these take place, the opposition uses it as an opportunity to corner the government, and it is obviously making the most of this opportunity at this given time.
Anand Zanane there reporting from Lucknow, and these pictures that you see on your screen are live pictures that are coming in from the Chief Minister's office where BJP workers are protesting.
हमको रोक रही है, हम ये विरोध निर्णायक मोड़ तक जारी रखेंगे. हमको एनेक्सी के दरवाजे तक जाना है और इन्होंने रोका है. इनका पानी भी खत्म हो गया है. अब पानी इनकी आंखों का मरना बाकी है. जब तक वो नहीं मरेगा हम तब तक संघर्ष करेंगे.